So hello guys, welcome to Pragati Tutorials, and the next video is on how to use this course. So the first 2 points, solving puzzles and building thinking skills for reasoning, in which we are going to discuss few puzzles. These 2 points is for everyone, whether you are of expert level or whether you are absolute beginners. One, these 2 points will help you to build your thinking skills, and these two are just like the reading in the English. So why do we read in the English? Are they going to ask you the same examples on the books which you are reading? No. But reading in the English, it will help you to comprehend things better. It will help you to make your English understanding better, and which will eventually help you to tackle your CAT exam. They are not the part of the actual syllabus. Same, the first 2 points, puzzles, simple puzzles, traditional puzzles, and advanced puzzles, I can say. These 2 points are going to help you to build your thinking skills, which will help you to tackle with the unknown type of the puzzles that you are going to face in your CAT exam. So this is for everyone. Maybe when you're starting this course, you can make a target for next month. For next 1 month, I'm going to solve one puzzle from first segment and one puzzle from the second segment, and see the difference in your thinking skills. And don't forget to follow the thumb rule. The thumb rule is that don't look at the solution till you have given everything. Don't look at the solution till you have given everything. Now, if you are at the beginner level, then it is good. The third point, okay, third, traditional LRD assets, they are good starting point. They form the good starting point. First and second, you have to do every day. There is no escape for this. But for the beginners, starting point should be traditional LRDR topics. And for the expert, okay, you have taken the CAT already. You know everything. You have solved one of the coaching material, and you just want to improve your LRDI score, or due to some issues you are not able to score well, even though you know the topics well. Then all for those guys, the starting point should be along with these two puzzles, along with these two things. The starting points should be directly start solving the CAT level examples or mock level examples. These should be the starting points for the expert. Only when you feel that you need to go back to conceptual, forget some things about the, let's say, pie chart or set theory, then only go back to traditional LRDR topics. Else you can skip the traditional LRDR topics and directly start solving CAT level examples. If you are a beginner, then spend good time on traditional LRDR topics along with these two. These two is the absolute core. These two segments form absolute core of your LRDI preparation. They will help you to build thinking skills. So these two is no escape for anyone. But for beginner, along with these two, spend good time on traditional LRDR topics. Solve everything. Try to understand the things. If you are not getting the difficult examples, maybe good starting point will be solving the bank level examples, bank PO level examples from R.S. Agarwal book. From this book, start solving the easy puzzles, easy calculation level DISX. This will be the good starting point if you are absolute beginner. If you are not understanding CAT level traditional LRDR topics, once you are well thorough with R.S. Agarwal book, then again start with these LRDR topics. See if you can solve the examples, CAT level examples from this. Try to solve the papers till CAT 2008, examples from the papers till CAT 2008. Try to solve the CAT SNAP papers as well. Try to solve IFT papers. Try to solve past CET papers. Once you are well thorough with all traditional topics, then only move to CAT level example or mock level examples. So for expert, you can directly start with mock level examples, skipping these traditional LRDR topics. You just need to know the few things like tournaments, what is seeds, what is upset, all those things. Set theory, some formulas. Even though they are not relevant to CAT, they are only useful in your mock exam. CAT doesn't test you the knowledge of the set theory. CAT will test you something else in the set theory. Only important thing is you know how to solve the 3 set theory or 4 set theory Venn diagram. You just need to know how to draw these diagrams and nothing else. No formula is required to tackle the CAT. A set theory for the CAT. Once you have solved at least 100 mock level examples of CAT level, then move to solve the sectional LRDR test. The source can be time or IMS or CL. Though IMS and CL sectional LRDR tests are ये इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं है. Time is quite good when you consider the sectional tests, so you can purchase the time sectional tests. These are quite good. So again, just to revise, first two is for everyone. These two things is for everyone. You have to do one puzzle from first two segments every day. For beginners, this should be your starting point, or if you are not getting these topics from the CAT level books, try to go to bank PO level books, that is RS Agarwal, and spend 15-20 days solving easy puzzles from RS Agarwal and solving easy DI related sets from RS Agarwal. Then come back to these books, solve all the topics, get thorough with all the topics, and then move to mock or CAT level examples. For expert, they can skip this third step and directly start with fourth segment. Once you solve 10, 100 or 150 mock level examples, good level of examples, when you get the confidence, yes, you can solve almost all the good examples. Then move to sectional LRDR test. At least solve 10 sectional LRDR test. At least go through 10 sectional LRDR test, and only go through the sectional LRDR test when you are confident that you can solve all the difficult examples. Only then use the sectional LRDR test. Otherwise, it will be a waste. So I wish you all the best with your preparation. So bye bye for now.